Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. And today, we're going to prove it. If you've ever thought AI is cool but I have no idea where to start, this one's for you. No PhD, no Python, no painful tutorials. Just 3 super simple AI tools that will get you learning by doing, even if your tech skills top out at sending emojis. Whether you're a student, content creator, side hustler, or just tired of pretending to understand AI at networking events, this will help. And hey, stick around till the end. I'll give you a beginner-friendly AI learning plan using just these tools. Why most people struggle to start with AI? Let's be honest. Most AI content online feels like trying to learn cooking by reading a chemistry textbook. Start with linear regression, they say. Just build a neural network, they say. Meanwhile, you're sitting there wondering what a neuron is doing in a laptop. So today, we flip the script. We start from zero. No assumptions, no jargon. Just tools you can use right now to start understanding and applying AI. The fun way. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, your AI tutor. The legend, the myth, the chatbot that launched 1,000 side hustles, ChatGPT. Imagine Google had a baby who is much better and smarter. That's ChatGPT. It doesn't just give you answers. It gives you understanding. Example prompts. Explain AI like I'm 12 years old. What's the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Create a 30-day AI learning roadmap for a total beginner. And here's the kicker. You can have actual conversations. Confused by a concept? Ask follow-ups. Want analogies? It's got you. Think ChatGPT acting as a tutor using the act as prompt. You will be surprised how powerful the results are. Try act as my AI tutor. Explain what overfitting is using pizza toppings as an example. Business owners are using this to brainstorm marketing. Freelancers are using it to write client pitches. And now, you're using it to learn AI on your own terms. It's like having a 24/7 tutor without the awkward small talk. No jargon, just answers. ChatGPT. Tool number 2, Notion AI, your AI learning hub. Notion AI, aka your second brain. You might know Notion as a productivity app, but add AI and suddenly it's a full-blown learning studio. Use Notion AI too. Summarize articles or explain technical blog posts. Turn notes into flashcards, great for remembering terms like gradient descent or bias variance trade-off. Build your own AI glossary. Rewrite tough definitions in plain English. Imagine you're learning AI concepts and you tell Notion, hey, that explanation was as clear as mud. Can you make it simpler? And boom, clarity. It's like building your own AI textbook, but written for you, by you, with help from AI. And bonus, it makes you feel like you've got your life together, even if your desktop has 147 tabs open. Tool number 3, Canva Magic Studio. Learn by creating. Canva Magic Studio is where it starts to get fun. And before you say, wait, isn't that for designing Instagram quotes? Hear me out. Use it to generate visuals to explain AI concepts. Return what you're learning into posters, carousels, or infographics. Use Magic Write to turn your notes into blog-style content. Example, let's say you just learned about neural networks. Ask Canva to generate an image of a neural net. Now you've got a visual. Then turn your notes into a carousel you could literally post on LinkedIn. You're learning by creating. And trust us, that's how things stick. Plus, showing off your visuals online can get you attention, feedback, even freelance gigs. Mini learning plan. Combine all 3 tools. Here's how to put it all together in a dead simple 30-day AI learning plan. Day 1 to 3. Use ChatGPT to learn 3 basic AI terms per day. Summarize those in Notion AI. Create a visual or flashcard in Canva to lock it in. Day 4 to 10. Read 1 beginner AI article per day. Summarize or quiz yourself in Notion. Clarify confusing parts in ChatGPT. Day 11 to 30. Build a micro project. An AI glossary? What is AI though? Video script? Or an explainer carousel? Reflect in Notion. Ask ChatGPT for feedback or ideas to expand. By day 30, you're not just someone who's interested in AI, you're someone who's doing it. Here's the truth. You don't need a degree to learn AI, you just need curiosity and the right tools. Start with ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Canva Magic. So let us know in the comments, which tool are you trying first? Smash that like button if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff AI content. Ring the bell to be notified about our new contents.